Hello everyone, I hope you all are staying strong at your home. So as we are done with the chapter sensitivity towards other, now this is the quiz time. So let's start the quiz. Be ready with your notebook and your pen. Start writing your answer so that in the end when you get the answer key, you can check how much is your score and let me know what's your score in the comment box. So 20 में से आपको कितने marks आए हैं? Let me know in the comment box. Okay. So let's start. First question. Dash was the first deaf-blind person to get a Bachelor of Arts degree. Option A. Helium Keller. B. Helen Keller. C. Helena Keller. D. Hitler Keller. Question 2. Disabled does not mean dash. Option A. Able. B. Unable. C. Doable. D. None. Question number 3. A dash is a basic set of rules and regulations according to which the government of a country functions. Options are consistent, considerant, constitution, constellation. So I'm repeating the option again. Option A, consistent. B, considerant. C, constitution. D, constellation. Question number 4. Identify the government schemes to encourage the enrollment of socially deprived children into school. Options are midday meal, B. free education, C. stipends, D. all of these. Question number 5. Kailash Satyarthi is a options A. child rights activist, B. Nobel Peace Prize winner, C. social reformer, D. all of these. Question number 6. When children with and without disabilities participate and learn together, it is called dash. Options are A. inclusive education, B. togetherness, C. special education, D. educational goals. Question number 7. Dash are special children. A. aware children, B. unaware children, C. physically challenged children, D. none. Question number 8. A society can develop only when everyone is able to enjoy the basic needs of option A. food, B. shelter, C. clothing, D. all of the above. Question number 9. Dash makes physically challenged children more mobile. Options are A. trained teacher, B. therapists, C. new science and technology, D. all of the above. Question number 10. Socially deprived children miss option A. education, B. enjoyment, C. decent standard of living, D. all of the above. Question number 11. Dash can make difference in the lives of special children. Option A. love and care, B. money, C. separation from normal children, D. all of the above. Question number 12. Kailash Satyarthi was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize in year 2013, B. 2014, C. 2015, D. 2016. So in which year Kailash Satyarthi was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize? Question number 13. Identify the image. There is this image and you are supposed to identify कि ये इमेज किस चीज की है. A. crutches, B. cricket, C. wheelchair, D. none. Now there is another image in question number 14. You are supposed to identify the image given along with it. Option A. wheelchair, B. crutches, C. ramp, D. braille book. Question number 15. The condition of socially deprived children can be improved through A. employment, B. money, C. education, D. none. Question number 16. Physically challenged children should be given education which is A. exclusive, B. inclusive, C. special, D. none. Question number 17. Special child should be provided with A. opportunities, B. ignorance, C. both, D. none. Question number 18. Dash has important role in the life of socially deprived children. Option A. work, B. neighborhood, C. school, D. bungalow. Question number 19. Special skills can make the physically challenged children A. dependent, B. confident, C. sympathetic, D. none. Last question, question number 20. Socially deprived children can be found in A. schools and institutions, B. hotel and restaurants, C. slums and street, D. all of the above. So with this, the questions are done. Now this is time to check the answer key. So be prepared with the pen and जो भी आपने लिखा है, just tally the answer. Each question carry 1 marks. So here's the answer key. Let me know your score. Bye bye. Take care.